Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux Int. In this video, we are gonna talk about how we can build a web crawler using the Octoparse. Octoparse is a tool that is used in scraping data from website. It is an easy to use web crawler application and it fetches data without having to write any additional line of code. Octoparse is not complicated to use and in just 3 steps you can do great stuff with this powerful web crawling tool. All you require is the URL you need to extract data from and a couple of clicks. So it does not have any limitation as to what kind of website it can scrap data from. Also, exporting data is made easier in form of CSV file or an API. So you can take advantage of Octoparse feature, and some of the features are following. It lets you build web crawlers fast without writing a line of code. It provides a cloud service for scheduled data extraction and IP rotation. It offers unlimited storage. It allows you hire professional data scraping experts from Octoparse to do the job for you. So with this, you have a solid concept as to what Octoparse is and its purpose and how to get started with it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before building your first web crawler, let's set up our environment for development. We start by downloading Octoparse from their official website. This is the Octoparse official website, octoparse.com. So go to this website and click on download. The latest version of Octoparse is 7.3.0 and 8.1 beta version for Windows and Mac is available. So you can download the Octoparse 7.3.0 because it is the stable version till now. So when you will download the Octoparse, then you have to install it. And after installing the Octoparse, you will get a screen like this. So if you have not signed up for the Octoparse, then you just have to click here sign up and then choose a browser and sign up. So after signing up, it will send you a confirmation email on your provided email address. So what you have to do, you have to go to your email and then you have to activate your account. So after activating the account, you have to enter your username here and then your password. And then you have to click on login. So why we have chosen the Octoparse 7.3? Octoparse 7.3 comes with features you would not find an older version of the tool. It has the feature of task complete, which aids with predefined templates when scraping data from websites such as Amazon or eBay. The dashboard has a structured new look which provides more information to the user. It has ability to scrap data from multiple URLs by importing them from an Excel sheet, CSV or text file. And it provides an anti-blocking feature to bypass protection that prevents user from scrapping data from a website. The Octoparse 7.3.0 only works on Windows operating system, so you will need the VirtualBox to run on your Linux machine. Octoparse provides a guide on using the tool for features for your Linux machine. So when you will open up the tool, it has a section here that is tutorials. So if you want to learn about the Octoparse, that how you can use this tool, then you can take advantage of this feature that is tutorials. Now let's talk about the features of Octoparse. The first feature that we are going to talk about is task templates. Task template is a feature that is introduced into the latest version of Octoparse. It is designed to make web scraping easier for everybody regardless of technical knowledge. So how we can use the task template? To save you the time, there is really no lengthy process towards using the task templates. However, some data are required, which include the target URL, keywords to search for, and many more parameters you need to extract the required data of your choice from the website. So Octoparse already has some built-in templates when you need to scrap data from them. So let's see about the templates. So to see the templates, click on task. So following are the built-in templates in the Octoparse, and most of them include Google, Amazon and eBay. So let's try to use one of the built-in task template. You start off by selecting a template of your choice. In this case, let us use the eBay task template. So this is the eBay task template. So now select any option from here. So after this, what you have to do, you have to click here that is use template. And now you have to enter the URL of web page. I am entering the URL of Nike shoes here. So now the Octoparse does the rest of the task by fetching all data based on your parameter or your URL. In this case, all Nike shoes will be fetched up and this data will be ready to be utilized for whatever purpose you have in your mind. So save and run, and it will extract the data and it will present the data to you. And you can see that the process is started of scraping the data. And you can see that these are the total results that are found for Nike shoes. So extraction is completed. The task was done by UK detail pages eBay. It took total 9 seconds, and you can export this data if you want to by clicking on this export button. So this was all about creating the task template and using the task template to fetch or scrap the data from the given URL or from the given website. So now let's talk about building a web crawler with Octoparse. You have come this far to build a web crawler with Octoparse. You do have a piece of foundational knowledge and all there is to know about in scraping data from a website with the use of a task template. However, you can build a web crawler yourself. In building a web crawler with Octoparse, there are two approaches, and there are wizard mode and the advanced mode. So if you click here on this plus icon, so you can see that you have advanced mode here and you have the wizard mode here. So now let's talk about that, how we can build a web crawler with the Octoparse wizard mode. The wizard mode approach is actually an easier and faster way to scrap data from a website with a smooth step-by-step interface. You can have your web crawler up and running in no time. However, you are advised to use advanced mode for more complex data scraping. So select on the wizard mode. And with the wizard mode, you can scrap data from table, links or item in pages. So to begin with, launch your Octoparse application and create a new task from the wizard mode and enter the URL you would link to scrap data from. So here you can enter the link from where you want to scrap the data. You can rename the group input field to anything that seems cool to you and click the next button. So it has started searching the web page. You will be navigated to a new page to select extraction type, and since you are working on scraping data from a single web page, with your extraction data type very much defined, you can now define our fields. So what you have to do, you have to select two similar items. And now you have to click on next. So by following all these steps, you will be able to extract data from a single web page in less than 5 minutes. The process is started and it has started extracting the data. So this is how you can use the wizard mode to extract the data, and you can see the results of data here. Now let's talk about building a web crawler with Octoparse advanced mode. The wizard mode can be used in scraping simple website with easy structure, but website design with more complex structure will be a tougher task. The advanced mode is the tool you will use to scrap such website. So go to this icon and select here advanced mode and input your URL here. Click on save URL. The task configuration workflow interface gives you more flexibility towards how you would want to extract data. The predefining workflow feature is turned on by default. So if you want to turn off, then you can right click here and it will be turned off. So in the advanced mode, you can spend most of the time creating your workflow on how to extract data, and once you are past this stage, your task workflow will be ready for use. So simply click on the start execution button for Octoparse to work according to your workflow, but before that you have to select your workflow here. So after defining your workflow, then you have to click on the save button and then you go to the start extraction phase. Working with advanced mode might seem a bit difficult to comprehend for first timers, but you will become more comfortable with it over time. And if you find any error or some complex thing, then you go to the tutorials and you can search for the help. So you can scrap website by writing code for web scraper, but this can be time consuming. Octoparse gives you great results without you writing code or spending time on your scrapper. So in this video, you have seen what Octoparse is about, how it saves your time and effort. You have also seen how you can make use of built-in task template to scrap data from certain website and also build your own powerful web scrapers. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. Keep visiting our website linuxint.com for more useful videos like this. Thank you.